Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AM London Grow. So friends, today we will discuss about Form 1040 that is used for individual income tax return of US taxation. So friends, in USA for individual income tax Form 1040 is to be filled for income tax return. So friends, we will discuss about 1040 in this video. So, what is Form 1040? It is a main US individual income tax return form, and it is a one pager form, and it has also the various schedules attached to it and as per the complicacy of the return. So friends, it is filed with IRS in Internal Revenue Services, and it reports income deductions and the credits available, and it determines the refund or tax liability, whether your tax is refundable or you are having a tax liability to pay with. So friends, it is the similar kind of tax which is having in India also. And who must file? So in USA, so if a person is having a income having a more than the above threshold, who has to pay income tax. And if a person is having a self-employment income is more than $400, so if it is more than $400, then he has to pay income taxation, US taxation there. And to claim refund or tax credit, so if a person is not having a income on threshold, but because of the tax credits or tax the amount is refundable, so to claim that refund he has to file their income tax return. If any special taxes apply, so there are various special taxes also in USA. So if special taxes apply, then he has to file the income tax return. So friends, what are the filing status options? So friends, filing status options are single, married filing jointly, or married filing separately, or head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. So friends, these are five status options an individual can opt for. So friends, he can, if a person is a single, then can opt for single. If a person is married, so basically if a person is married, three options are there whether he can file. The options means he and his or her spouse can file a single return, other merit filing jointly option, and also they can file separately by ticking on the option merit filing separately. Or suppose if a person is married, or one person and he has a very dependents under him, like very dependent children or dependent parents, so he can file one return as a head of household for all the persons under him. So like a HUF in India. Or suppose a qualifying surviving spouse, so whether widow or widower, if he was married, but now because one of the spouse death is there, so only one person is surviving, so is the surviving spouse can file the return as a qualifying surviving spouse. So friends, the standard deduction is in the country in USA is as per the filing status, not as per the residential status. So it is like in India, it is as per the residential status that you can claim the standard deduction or not. But in USA, you can claim the deductions, standard deduction, as per your filing status, whether you are single, married, filing jointly, filing separately, head of household, or qualifying surviving spouse. So friends, now we will discuss about the Form 1040 structure. So how the structure is flow. So friends, there is a one section, income section on the page one, and after so in this various income is to be written, like form W2 for salary, and there's various schedules. So as per the schedules, so summary means the summary return is there, like income from other sources, or like capital gain, dividend income, interest income. So their various income section is there, and then he has to get the adjustments to the income and go to the AGI, gross income, adjusted gross income, and from the adjusted gross income, then he can claim the deductions. So there are two types of deductions. Either he can claim the standard deduction or the itemized deduction. So he can choose, suppose if he has more than the, if itemized deduction is more beneficial than itemized deduction, he can claim the itemized deduction and fill the same in the schedule, relevant schedules. Okay, and so friends, after claiming the deduction, he can go to the total income, and then on page 2 of the form 1040, tax calculation is there. So he can, as per the slab rate, he can calculate the tax, and also and after that use the payments, what the payments he has made, and the tax credits he is eligible for. And after that, the whether the amount of tax is refundable or amount due, that will come. So friends, in the income section, this income section, what type of income is reported? So friends, for wages, form W2, as per the form W2, the wages is to be, wages is reported for the salaried individual. And if the person is having a business income, then he has to fill the schedule C, which is an annexure to this form 1040, and accordingly the same will be reflected in the income section. And also, then if a person has a capital gains income, he has to file schedule D, uh, and also same schedule D and capital gain will be come in the income section. And for interest and dividend, he has to fill separate schedule. And for rental income, pass through income, he has to fill separate schedule. So he has to fill a separate schedule, and accordingly the same will be reflected in his income report. So these are the important schedules in the form 1040. So friends, schedule 1 is for the additional income. Schedule A is for the itemized deduction. So I told previously that the deduction, there are two types of deduction: standard deduction or itemized deduction. So if it is standard deduction, then it is fixed as per the filing status. And if it is like the person is wants to claim the itemized deduction, not the standard deduction, then he is to fill the schedule A accordingly. And form then schedule B is for the interest and dividend, and schedule C is for the business income, schedule D for capital gain, and schedule SE for self employment income. So if a person is self employed, then schedule SE is to be filled up. And after that, so deduction, I have already told that it is based on the filing status or itemized deduction as per schedule A. And so some persons are also eligible for mortgage interest, charitable donations. So what charitable donations he she might have done, or medical expenses. So as per the limit, so what the medical expenses he she have incurred, so that these deductions can also be claimed. And after the deduction, the total income will be there, and then he she can claim the tax credits. So these are the types of tax credits he she can claim in US taxation in form 1040 to arrive at the net tax payable or tax refundable. So friends, the tax credits are child tax credits, earned income credit, education credits, foreign tax credit, energy efficient credits. I will make a separate video for analyzing all these credits or the previous the deduction, itemized deductions, etc. So this is a summary video to just describe the form 1040. So these are type of credits: child tax credit, earned income credit, education credit, foreign tax credit, energy efficient credits. So friends, and after that the tax credits, after applying the credit, then you will go to the total income, and after that you will apply the tax brackets, tax rates as per the brackets. Suppose, so lowest bracket in USA is 10%, then it goes highest to 37%. 37% is the highest bracket in USA. And like lower middle, 12% is there, and 22%, 24% for middle income, 30 to 35% is for higher income. So these are the type of percentage. Then we will go to the self-employed individuals. So self-employed individuals use the Schedule C, pay self-employment tax, SS plus Medicare, and they are eligible for QBI deduction. And quarterly, they estimate the tax payments required. So, like in India, it is an advanced tax. We pay quarterly advanced tax. So same there for self-employed individuals, pay the quarterly tax, estimated tax payments. So friends, what now we will discuss about the filing deadline. So friends, it is because the USA financial year starts from January 1st January and ends on 31st December. So let's say for example for financial year 24-25. So for March 25, or suppose for financial 25-26, that is 25 for financial year 25, that is up to December 25, the report, the return deadline is 15th April 2026. And so they have to file their return by 15th April 2026. But they can also take the extension can be granted, and extension for application can be filed via form 4868, and extension can be granted till October 15. So 6 month extension can be granted, but please note, extension can be granted for filing. So extension to file is not equal to extension to pay. So they have to pay their, anyhow they have to pay their tax. If the tax is applicable, then they have to pay by 15th April. However, they can file their return as per the extension available, and the extension can be done only till the 31st, sorry, 15th October. And the for late payment, interest and penalty is applicable, same as in India. So what the common mistakes the persons do? So they generally file incorrect SSN, wrong filing status, missing income forms, math errors, unsigned returns. So these are the common mistakes the person must avoid. So whether any CPA filing your income tax return, please tell him not to do these mistakes, and take from you the correct SSN, confirm from you the filing status, and the return must be signed by you. So these are the common mistakes. And what the comparison between form 1040 and Indian ITR. So form 1040 is a single master form, plus there are various schedules as per the requirements. So as if a person has various income or to file deduction, various schedules are there. In India, there are multiple forms for ITR, from ITR 1 to ITR 7. So US uses the filing status system, whether you are single or married filing jointly, married filing separately, or qualified surviving spouse or head of household. So these are the filing status. And India uses the residential status system. And both are quarterly estimated tax common in U. So it's common in US. USA, there is a quarterly estimated tax. They have the persons in USA have to pay. So for example, if a person is getting a salary which is also including in his form W2 $80,000, then after and less the standard deduction, we will get the taxable income, and we will apply the tax bracket, then less credits, then we will go to the final tax liability. So friends, conclusion, form 1040 is the US tax system. So friends, it is a core of US tax system. Understand income deductions and credits, plan legally to reduce tax, and friends, subscribe for more tax and compliance content. Thank you for watching.